Hi, I'm Alyssa Mazzacca with Remax on the Fitzpatrick team, and I'm here at 705 Congdon Hill Road in North Kingstown. I'm going to take you inside to take a look around. Here we are in the heart of the home. You have an open layout with a nice big kitchen, eating area, open living space to the living room, dining room. This is where it all happens. The house is 4,600 square feet, so plenty of space for a big family, lots of entertaining. But in the back is a nice little surprise. You have a huge pantry. Huge pantry with a nice mudroom off of the garage and a little half bath tucked away. Over here you have the living room, nice gas fireplace, flip the switch, you've got fire. You have a nice big first floor master, walk-in closet, master bath, and it goes right out to the yard, which is really nice. Let's head this way. So summer, I swear it's coming, and in just a few weeks, the pool will be open. They're opening the pool. It's going to be beautiful. They upgraded to salt water, and you can see that there's a great little tiki bar, plenty of room to set up loungers, eat dinner outside. I mean, this is what you want during a New England summer. I mean, you're gonna be outside all the time. In the back, you have a great feature. There's essentially a sports court. I'm not going to show you my skateboarding skills today, but it looks like it could be fun. So let's go back inside and I'll give you a tour of the upstairs. So we're upstairs now. Here you have 4 additional bedrooms, all really good size. Your laundry is upstairs, and you have 2 full bathrooms. In addition, at the end of the hall, you have a great second living area, something a little bit more casual. And then don't forget, the basement is finished. And one other thing to note is that there's central air throughout, so you'll stay nice and cool this summer. Thanks for taking this little walkthrough with me. If you have any questions, reach out. The house is easy to show. Visit me at one of my many open houses, or give us a call. Thanks, bye.